Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about the 7 problems which English learner face during learning the English language because you know that English is international language, everybody is willing to improve English language, those are interested, and when they try to learn they face lot of problems. What are those problems? I will discuss about those problems, so please watch this video till end so that you never miss any point which is discussed in this video in detail. And what are those 7 problems? The first problem is the poor vocabulary. When we try to learn any new language, we lack the words in our back memory. You know that there are so many words in any language, and we are not able to cram or memorize all those words. Not necessary that we should cram the whole dictionaries of any language. We should learn some useful words of English language. Those are used in daily conversation. So I think that when we think this thing in our mind that there are too much difficult words and we are not able to memorize them, then we try to quit. So I suggest you that don't quit. Instead of quitting, keep in your mind that the whole dictionary is not for you to memorize. You should learn only those useful words commonly used, and those words which are not commonly used, you should refrain from them. In this way, you will get an inspiration to learn English language. And the second problem is that confusing spelling. You know that letter F, when you spell the single letter F, then during learning English language you will find that PH is also sound as F voice. Sometimes GH is sound like F as a tough, enough, tough spelling TOUGH, GH is as a F sound. So these are confusing spelling. So a new learner becomes confused by such kind of rules of English language. And some, you know that there are some words sound the same but their spellings are different, meanings are totally different, such as SCNT scent and SAINT scent. They pronounce, they sound the same but their spelling and meanings are different. In the same way, KNOW now, NOW now, but their meanings are different. So when you as read, 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 it is also sound as read, spellings are same. So these confusing spellings, a new learner sometimes feel some problems, that what is this. So after the passage of time, keep learning. After the passage of time, you will know about these rules, and these will be the part of your conversation ahead in when you will speak English language. So don't become too much confused. This is the second problem the new learners face. The third problem is that new learners have no interaction with the native speakers. For instance, you are living in such a country where the English is not first language, your national language is different, you are learning English language as a second language. But in first phase you will try to watch the videos of international speakers, native speakers of English language. When you will listen the native speakers, their English is their mother tongue, they will speak in casual way, you will feel that this is too much difficult for us to speak English language. So I think that interact with the native English speakers. When you will not interact with the native people, those who know the good English language, then I think that you will face difficulties. The fourth problem is that grammar problem, difficult grammar. There are different kind of rules in grammar. So some people become confused when they try to learn the grammar. So I think that in the beginning, every new learner becomes confused, and after passage of time, everything will be okay, right? So do your struggle, continue hard work. Don't be confused, okay? And the fifth problem is feeling embarrassed. Sometimes when we learn English language, we see some difficulties while learning. Our mind do not work properly because there are difficult words, difficult spellings. Some are spelled in different way, but their sound is in different way. So when we learn, we feel some kind of embarrassment. So I think that instead of feeling embarrassment, we should do our consistent work, because English is not the game of overnight learning. It will take time. So do your consistent work. Don't feel embarrassment while learning English language. Enjoy it. Enjoy while learning. Then when you will enjoy, then I think that you will learn very easily without putting any kind of pressure on your mind. The sixth problem is that we don't know the slang. Slang language, you know that the language which is used day to day conversation, that is called the slang language, which is commonly when we use our national language at home during our work in casual way. That language is called the slang language. So we don't know the slang language of English. To overcome this problem, I think that we should listen some songs, some teleplays of English language, or different movies, telefilms. Then we will be able to understand the slang language also. The seventh problem is the pronunciation. Sometimes I will give you the example that I read a book today. I read a book today. Then the second sentence is I read a book yesterday. Read spellings are R-E-A-D. Read spellings are R-E-A-D. The spellings are same, but their sound is different. They are pronounced in different way. Their meaning is a little changed. So this is some confusions, that I read a book today, I read a book today. The spellings are same, the word pronunciation is different when we use in second sentence. So these are the problem, and with the, as I told you, with the passage of time, when you will do consistent work, when you will do the consistent hard work to improve your English language, then you will overcome all these problems. And the solution is only this, that you should try to learn the tenses. There are 4 tenses and 3 tenses, and each tense has 4 branches. In this way, there you can say that there are 12 tenses, and when you learn the 12 tenses, you will be able to understand the grammatical rules a little. Then try to learn active voice, passive voice, the second phase. Third phase is direct, indirect. When you will complete these 3 things, then do your practice. Try to speak in practical way. In this way, I think that you will overcome all these problems. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.